Good morning. I wanted to record a quick video about something that a lot of tenants have some confusion about near the end of their tenancy. When your tenancy comes to an end and it's time to move out and get all that kind of stuff done, the office will coordinate with you. But then at the end of that becomes the security deposit. So how do we get your security deposit back to you? What we've discovered over the last number of months is that security deposits have a notorious way of getting lost in the mail. About half of the security deposits that we mail out end up either getting not delivered to the tenant for one reason or another, or they end up getting lost in the mail or sent back to our office as undeliverable. And it sounds like a big number, but it's roughly half of all security deposits. So what we're doing now is we're asking all tenants to actually allow us to deposit your security deposit directly into your bank account. So here's how you can set that up on your tenant portal to have us deposit your security deposit right into your bank account after your move in. It's quicker, it goes right to your account. You're not waiting for a check, you're not wondering if it's getting lost in the mail. It just goes right into your bank account. Here's how you do that. So let's take a look at this tenancy now. Here we have George St. Pierre, who lives at 456 Welter Way Road in Winnipeg. And he wants to, when he moves out at the end of this month, at the end of August, let's say he's moving out at the end of August, he wants his security deposit to go right into his bank account. So here's how he's going to request that from Okanagan. Going to click down on the drop-down menu here. He's going to go to My Account. Once there, he's going to make sure he has a payment method in the system. He's already got one right now. He's got a payment method there. And so what he's going to do is he's now going to take that payment method and he's going to add it to his refund settings. Again, here on My Account, he's going to go to refund settings and move out. Now, George knows where he's moving. He's going up a weight class. As you can tell, I'm a UFC fan. So what he's going to do is he's going to add a forwarding address. He's going to move up a weight class. He's going to go from 456 welterweight to 789 middleweight. And he's going to challenge Michael Bisping for the title. If you know, you know. But he's going to update his forwarding address. So George St. Pierre is moving, and this is his new forwarding address in case there's anything we need to mail to him. That address is here in Winnipeg. Let's go back here, Manitoba. Let's say the postal code is R0R0R0R0R0. Let's put something in there. Okay. So that's his forwarding address. We're going to save that. And then he's going to prepare a notice of intent to move out. He's going to move out on the 31st. He's letting us know. I've got a new job across town, whatever reason you have for moving out. But here's the kicker, what we really want you to make sure that you do. We want to have your refund method change from check to direct deposit refunds. So choose your preferred refund method. Your property manager may choose to send by checks. We're not going to send by check. We're really going to strongly insist that you click this button here. And it's going to ask you what bank account. It's going to give me the option to use the bank account I already have. If I want it going into a different account, I can select that, but I'm going to choose this bank account that's already on file. And of course, if you do choose, all the prompts are there to fill out just like they are in the other spot. I'm going to choose the same bank account. I'm going to click Save. There. Now when it's time for me to send George St. Pierre his damage deposit, I can just send it right into his bank account. So that's that video. I just want to make sure I recorded that for everybody. If you have any questions about how to do that, contact our office and we can certainly help you out. But this video should communicate everything you need to know for that. Take care.